Wright-Patterson Air Force Base at a luau, which is pretty wild. I'm going to be doing some tiki type carvings today. Got us about 6 hours of carving to do. So pretty excited about it. They got quite the party going on up the hill already, so should be a good day.
Reach out.
wrapped up. We're getting ready to move the piece inside. I guess we're gonna store it and then get a finish on it, and then it's gonna stick around here somewhere. But it's a cool event, man. One thing, last time we were here was 20 years ago. My dad was got the rank of Chief Master Sergeant. So they had a real nice ceremony. Kids were small. We came up here. You know, Dad had his thing. It was really cool. So it was nice to be back up here and you know, kind of relive that memory and kind of think back that time. You know, when Dad was in the reserves up here. So it's a pretty special event for us to do and be able to do. But the funny thing is, I was doing this, and this whole thing is like, I was thinking as you carve, you know, your mind kind of wanders or whatever. But I was like, you know, this is kind of cool. They're having a luau at a Air Force base in Dayton, Ohio. I go, why would they do that? And I go, well, it's to keep morale up. It's to keep people happy. And that's all we saw today, was happy people coming through, all different types, sizes. It was really neat to see everybody come through and get along, and it really was a big family feeling out here. And I thought how cool that was. And the reason for us being here is to provide entertainment for them. So, in the midst of all that, I was thinking, this is like, I'm Bob Hope, and this is a USO tour. So I kind of felt like, yeah, let's give them a show. But it was awesome. Good times.